you're going to need 8 objects. So if you don't have them already, you need to go and grab them. Now, I'll be using 4 red cones and 4 yellow cones. I'll be separating them all by color in a box. I set 1 object down, 1, 2 steps away from each cone, 1, 2 steps away, 1, 2, and now from box to box will be 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. I put my next set of cones down, 1, 2, count my steps, 1, 2, count my steps, 1, 2, count my steps, and I can see that the boxes are straight across from each other. You're going to be working in these boxes and doing tight turns with the ball. We've got 3 different types of turns today. The outside of the foot, a little inside with a V move, and then we've got a little flare one with the stop and drag of that back foot. Let's get ready. So here I'm standing in my yellow box. It's going to be the box that I start and stop the ball in, okay? This is going to be where the amount counts, right? So we come down, we're going to do our first turn with our right, we go back to our starting box, we turn, and we go right into the next with our left, stopping the ball in the box there. That counts as 1. I need 5 reps per move. Down, back is 1. Our first turn is going to be with the outside of the foot. Once you get inside of the box, you're going to either turn right or left. If I'm going to my right, I'm going to use my left foot to step further outside of the ball so I can push the ball out to the right with the outside of my foot. Vice versa with the left, step out and push the ball outside of the box with the left foot. So as I'm dribbling down, I'm setting myself up to step outside of the ball and push to quickly change direction and come back. I turn and go back the other way. I step outside of the ball and push to get around and back into my starting box. Our next turn that we're going to be doing is a V turn, except it's going to be a little bit more complex because as I approach the box, I'm going to take an inside foot touch across my body, and then I perform the V turn to change direction and go back to where I want to go, which is inside of my starting box. And I go again. Now when I go to switch the legs, across my body, drag across, and then forwards with my other leg into the box. The third and final turn is a stop turn. But like all of our other turns, we're going to add a little bit of complexity to it. So as we approach our box, we're going to stop the ball, drag that other foot behind us, and put the ball in the direction in which we want to go, turn and accelerate again. So now my opposite foot, stop, drag, turn, explode into the next direction. By perfecting these turns, they will be second nature to you. Remember, we want to see 1 turn on each foot done perfectly, okay? So you have 3 different turns, 2 feet, I hope. So that'll make 6 turns on your video in total. Get them done. I just put the ball in the box, tell them do turns, do stops. I just put the, in the,